In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80074cf. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first step that we need to do is we need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button, and once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. Okay? But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, that is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Now at the settings window, I want you to navigate to the upper left side of the screen, use the search bar and type for Windows Space Store. Then you can find and fix problems with Windows Store apps, click on it. And then you need to click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, restart your computer and check if it's being fixed, okay? But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to run some PowerShell command. So I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, please proceed here at the search bar and type for PowerShell. Then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell system, and then you need to run it as an administrator. So please click on Run as Administrator, and then please copy and paste the command that I have given. So Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. So once you have pasted it here, restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, your error will be fixed, okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.